Disah, and I hope everybody is doing good. So let us start few basic things related to chemical equations. So firstly we have here is chemical combination. Okay, so what is chemical combination? The reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance is known as chemical combination. Okay, so this explains, this is one substance. Okay, hydrogen is a one substance and oxygen is a one substance. These two substances are combining together to create a new substance. Okay, so here we have four molecules of hydrogen. So two here, two here. So four molecules of hydrogen and two molecules of oxygen. So here it represents the two molecules of oxygen. So water. This is nothing but water, H2O. Now similarly, M2, two molecules of magnesium and two molecules of oxygen. These two components are combining together to create one product, which is 2MgO, magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. So one more basic thing is, the things which are reacting with each other are known as reactants. Okay, are known as reactants, and the product, the finally the result which we are getting is known as product. Okay, finally the result we are getting is known as product. The substance which are reacting together is nothing but reactants, and the final result is nothing but a product. I hope it is clear. Now let us move on to next topic, which is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. So in this, the reaction in which a compound breaks up into two or more simpler substances. Okay, a reaction in which a compound breaks up into two or more simpler substances. See here we'll have an example. This is the one single component. Okay, this is one single component. It is breaking down into two. So how it is breaking down? 2H2O, 4 molecules of hydrogen plus 2 molecules of oxygen. So one product is breaking down into two products. Okay, two simpler substance is known as decomposition reaction. Similarly over here, CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. So here what is happening here is, so it is one single component is breaking down into two components, which is calcium oxide plus CO2. Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. See, we'll just cross check it. We have two molecules of carbon. Sorry, this is calcium. I'm very sorry. This is calcium. So this we have one calcium. So we have one calcium, one carbon, and three molecules of oxygen. So one molecule of oxygen over here and two molecules of oxygen over here. So three molecules of oxygen. So equation is balanced. Now we'll move on to displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. So the reaction in which one element takes place of another element is known as, in a compound, is known as displacement reaction. Okay. So what happening here is, there are two substances. Okay, there are two substances. They are reacting each other, and now in the reaction what happens, you know, here ZnCl and H2 will form. So what here happening, from hydrochloric acid, this chlorine is going to zinc side. Okay, it is reacting with zinc. So and hydrogen molecule is over here. So in displacement, one element takes place of another element. From here it is going there. Okay, it is taking place of another element. Okay, this is nothing but displacement reaction. Now we have double decomposition or double displacement reaction. We can call it as decomposition or displacement. Either way we can call it. So two components react to form two other compounds by mutual exchange of their ions. Okay, so in this it is similar to this displacement reaction, but here two things will be exchanged. Two substances will exchanging their molecules. Okay, see, this is you can say as ions. Okay, so here we have NaOH. Okay, NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Okay, sodium hydroxide, and sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. So here what happening here in sodium, in the place of hydrogen oxide, SO4 is taking place. Okay, hydrogen in place of hydroxide, SO4 is coming, and in place of SO4 this hydrogen oxide is coming. Okay, it is forming 2H2O. Okay, only thing is this is going there and this is coming over here. Simple. So here we have 2H2O. So 2H2O, and previously we have 2 molecules of hydrogen, and 2 molecules of hydrogen gives rise to 4 molecules of hydrogen and 2 molecules of oxygen. So 2 molecules of oxygen here. Okay, and similarly SO4 directly SO4 is going over here. So SO4. Okay, now we have exothermic reaction. So what is exothermic reaction? The energy releases to outside surrounding is known as exothermic reaction. So when carbon and oxygen molecules are combining together, there is a formation of carbon dioxide and it releases some amount of heat. Okay, when carbon and oxygen are reacting together, it is forming carbon dioxide and releasing some amount of heat to the atmosphere. Similarly, as you have seen this experiment, calcium oxide plus water. Calcium oxide quicklime can be known as quicklime. Quicklime when reacts with water gives rise to CaOH2, okay, calcium hydroxide, and some amount of heat is released. Okay, in exothermic, heat will be released or liberated. In endothermic reaction, heat is observed here. Okay, so CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Okay, calcium carbonate, when it is heated, it is dispersing or forming two products or two substances which are calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide when it is heated. So here heat is observed. In endothermic reaction, heat is observed. Okay, I hope it is clear. Thank you.